This video, we will speak about heart rate calculation by ECG.
For calculating heart rate, first step is to check whether rhythm is regular or irregular. This can be known by checking RR interval. If it is regular with each beat, then rhythm is said to be regular. Coming to first scenario, where rhythm is regular. Formula is 300 divided by number of large boxes between two R waves. In this ECG, number of large boxes between two R waves are 4. So, heart rate will be 300 divided by 4, that is 75 per minute. Here, 300 is constant number. We can use another method also by applying simple mathematics. Formula is 1500 divided by number of small squares between two R waves. In this ECG, there are 20 small boxes. So, heart rate will be 1500 divided by 20, which equals to 75 beats per minute. Next is calculating heart rate if rhythm is irregular, which is present in conditions like atrial fibrillation. You have to count 30 large boxes in rhythm strip and mark them in the ECG. Then count the QRS complexes present within this mark. Formula for heart rate is QRS complex in 30 large boxes multiplied by 10. Here, number of QRS complexes in 30 large squares are 12. So, heart rate will be 12 into 10 equal to 120 per minute. We are adapting this method because ECG paper runs at the speed of 25 mm per second, which is 5 large squares per second. So, in 6 seconds, it will be 30 large boxes. So, for 60 seconds, that is for 1 minute, you have to multiply it with 10.
Square counting method is very easy and it doesn't need any difficult calculation. When ECG is recorded with a speed of 25 mm per second, you should use the sequence 300, 150, 100, 75, 60, 50, 43, 38, and 33. Counting off every large square is performed from one QRS complex to the following one. The first large square, or 5 small squares, denotes 300 beats per minute. The next one denotes 150 beats per minute, etc. Another method of determination of the heart rate is based on the calculation of the RR intervals. At first, you should calculate the RR intervals. Count the number of small squares and multiply it by 0.04 if ECG speed is 25 mm per second, or multiply it by 0.02 if ECG speed is 50 mm per second. Then, divide 60 by RR interval measured in seconds.
Hope you liked our video. Share this information with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.